Today, we will show you how to open the ASUS ROG Flow X13 and what's inside of it. There are 11 Phillips head screws keeping the bottom panel in place. After you undo them, pry the panel with a plastic tool and you should be able to lift it from the chassis. Please remember, it would be of great help to us if you just hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. That would motivate us to make even more and better videos for you. Here, we see a cooling solution that consists of 2 heat pipes, and a total of 3 heat spreaders. Interestingly enough, ASUS uses liquid metal for the thermal compound of the CPU die. In terms of battery, this laptop is supplied with a 62 watt-hours unit. Unfortunately, you won't be able to upgrade the memory on this notebook, as it is soldered to the motherboard. Also, the M.2 NVMe storage slot is a bit too specific, it only fits 30mm drives. If you'd like to see more disassembly videos of the latest notebooks, we would highly appreciate if you hit the like button and subscribe to the channel.